Alright, hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Python Shorts here at Learn with Anirudh. And as always, on this one, we're going to be taking a look at answering a very important interview question. Now, the question goes like this: can you print this pyramid with a single line of Python code? We all know how to go about printing these kind of pyramid questions. These are super popular for interviews, but can you do it in a single line of code? And of course, we're talking about Python, so we can go about doing it. So how do we do it? Let me quickly show you guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I've opened up Google Colab as you can see. And first, let's take a look at the conventional way of how you'd go about printing that pattern. Well, the conventional way says that you need two loops. One loop is to make sure you can go about telling how many stars need to be printed, and the second loop will tell you how to go about ordering these stars. And of course, you have a new line character, and if you do not know what /r means, /r is called as a carriage return. Now, if you knew what that was, head to the comment section and type yes. Now, as you saw in our pattern, we had 6 layers of stars, right? So you can see 1 all the way until 6 stars, and you can change this easily by changing and playing around with the range function. Now, let's just say I want 10. If I want 10, I just hit change, and as you can see, I have 10 stars being printed. Wonderful. This is what the interviewer would expect you to answer. But if you want to impress the interviewer, and if there's a specific question that says print it using one line only, now here is how you can go about doing it. N equal to 6, this basically talks about how many stars do you want on your last line. Let's take a look at 6 first. And then we're using a small join function with our new line function. And all we're trying to say is, hey, for every line, just go about printing a star. For the next line, just print one more than that. And when do you stop? You stop when you hit the last stars to be 6. Let me go ahead and print this for you guys. And as soon as I hit print, you can see that the result was exactly the same. Since we've printed 10 on top, let me quickly change n equal to 10. Let me print it out. And as you can see, what this program is doing is pretty much exactly the same as this one. But here, we're going about using the magic of Python and doing it in one line of code. So ladies and gentlemen, with that, we've come to the end of this short episode of Learn with Anirudh. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys are tuned, and I'm going to see you guys really quickly on the next ones. And in the meantime, make sure you're checking out these two videos that you see on your screen. Cheers.